Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this knowledge to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in the weekly time frame here. So here in a weekly time frame here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested a weekly low at the levels of the $3.520 on last Friday. This low was tested on December 30th, 2021. So from here, you can see that how the natural gas futures started an uptrend that continued during the year 2022. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures started an uptrend from here and continued to move upward and finally tested a high on August 23rd, well above the levels of $10. But from here, a steep fall started and continued to drag down the natural gas futures up to the levels of $7.8, for where once again a sharp bounce was seen during the second week of September 2022, but exhaustion continued here, and here you can see that how the natural gas futures tried to find some support here at the levels of 6.475 during the last week of September, but could not defend this level and finally found a breakdown well below the levels of 6.276 in the mid of October 2022 and tested a low at the levels of 4.931. So friends, here I would like to tell you that this is a long-term support what we have seen here when the natural gas futures found a stiff resistance here in November 2018. So now this level had turned into a strong support after a breakout by natural gas futures well above this level in March 2022 when the natural gas futures started a rally after a breakout above this stiff resistance and continued to move upward. So here you can see that how in a downward move the natural gas futures tried to find some support here and found a bounce back once again and tested a high at the 7.517 during the last week of November 2022 and continued to find a breakout well above this major resistance at the 7.4 but could not sustain above this and started to move downward, where you can see that how the next support was found at the 5.395 during the first week of December 2022, from where a sharp reversal was seen that continued to push the natural gas futures well back to the levels of 7.103. Undoubtedly, there was an advent of a sell-off as the natural gas futures could not sustain above the levels of 7.103, from where we have seen a steep fall to continue that drag down the natural gas futures during the last 4 weeks when the natural gas futures finally tested a low at the levels of 3.520 on last Friday. So here I would like to show you that how much fall we have seen during the last 4 weeks. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have seen a steep fall of more than 50%, but here you can see that how the natural gas futures have finally completed the formation of a double bottom here. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have tested these levels once again. So here I find that double bottom formation seems to be completed here. So here I find that a reversal seen during the last week from the lows of the 3.520 when the natural gas futures finally closed the week at the lows of 3.766 after testing a high at the lows of 4.222. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures have finally closed the last week well above the significant support at 200 days moving average, which is currently at the lows of 3.749. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures start the upcoming week with a gap up opening above the immediate resistance at the levels of 3.991, this will be the first confirmation and advent of an uptrend where a sharp reversal can be seen. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakout well above the levels of 4.392, we'll see a sharp upward move up to the levels of 4.949 during the upcoming week, but from here a sharp sell-off can be seen that could push the natural gas futures back up to the levels of 4.250 Undoubtedly, uptrend could continue despite the announcement of warm weather. So friends, here I find that if the natural futures find is still move well above the levels of the 4.407 during the next 2 weeks, we'll see this uptrend to continue, where the next resistance can be seen at the $4.931, where the natural futures could try to sustain here for a breakout. And here I find that up to March 2022 will see an upward move where the natural gas futures test the levels of dollar 5.548 up to the end of February. We could test this level. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.